Hi everyone, here's the colors that I'm using today. I'm using 3 colors, and the first one's going to be, this is Gold Splendor by Deco Art. And I've never really tried this gold before, so I'm going to try it today, see how it works. And this is Rich Expresso by Deco Art. And then this is Quinacridone Violet by Golden. So I was going to use those 3 colors, and they're mixed with a teaspoon of Golden Soft Body Medium, as well as about 3 teaspoons of American Floetrol, and then some Josiah varnish. And then I have this color, which I mixed up from some pink and white mixed together to make a lighter pinkish color, and then some Floetrol and a little bit of Liquitex, just like a teaspoon of Liquitex medium added to that. And this is a 12 by 12 round canvas. I'm just doing this to make sure there's no bubbles in the paint. get another piece of cardboard. This one's getting paint all over it. I think I'm gonna like these colors. Okay, I just have to get a little bit more paint off of it, so I'm gonna spin it one more time. You don't want it to dry and get cracks. I'm not getting all the paint off. Okay, here we go. Oh, that turned out really pretty. Pretty colors. I'll bring you in for a close-up. So I always put everything that I use in my description box. So if you ever want to check out the ingredients, if you just read the description, it'll tell you there. And for the cell activator, I use the Australian floetrol mixed with about 1 teaspoon of paint and 3 parts of the floetrol. And that's what creates the cells. Thank you everyone for watching the video, and please hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I sure do appreciate it. You have a great day. Bye-bye.